So, the first question kita nak bincang is question number 2. Okay, let me know kalau you guys boleh nampak tak. Kalau tak fokus ke apa my camera. I try to fix it, but not sure whether it works or not. Okay, dah nampak tak?
Nampak.
Okay. So,
Yes.
in this topic, they will ask mostly about two things. Okay. They will ask about a certain thing is either atomic radii, dia punya ionization energy, electronegativity. Semua tu dia akan tanya whether across the period or down the group. So that tu je. And kita tahu cara nak jawab, kita akan always relate with Z effective or shielding effect. Okay, banyak-banyak yang kita belajar itu tu sebenarnya sikit je. Cuma benda yang sama ulang-ulang. Okay, so first is kita tengok soalan number 2. Where's the question? You guys nampak? Okay. Okay, kalau tak nampak apa, just cakap je. Saya tak nampak korang dah. So, period table and kita tengok 6.1 question number 2. Okay. Soalan dia minta electronic configuration. This is from last topic and they expect you to be good at doing electronic configuration. Okay, so kalau lah dia buat macam ni, ini chapter 1 ni. Okay, ingat tak mana satu nombor, ni nombor apa ni? Ni besar kecil ni. Apa nombor dia?
Neutron, bawah, proton.
Okay,
Betul.
yes. This is the nucleon number. Okay. Nucleon number, okay, is the number of proton plus neutron. Okay, ataupun orang panggil dia punya mass, dia punya molar mass. Okay. Kalau you nak electronic configuration, you always take from this, which is only the proton number. Okay. Kalau you nak, lupalah mana satu atas, mana satu bawah. Okay, tengok. Proton number is always smaller than nucleon number. Sebab in the definition itself pun, nucleon number is proton plus neutron. Okay. Kenapa kita ambil proton number? Sebab apa? Sebab apa? Dia sama dengan number
Proton
apa?
equal to electron.
Yes. Sama dengan number of electrons. Okay. So, now kita nak just tinggal nak buat electronic configuration je kan. I'm assuming you guys dah very expert at doing electronic configuration. So, can you guys give me kalau nak susun 20? Kita start susun dengan dalam
1s2,
yes,
2s2,
2s2,
2p6,
3p6,
3s2,
3p6, 4s,
4s, 2 dan.
4s2.
Okay. Good. Cukup tak 20?
Cukup.
Okay. One rule of thumb, I don't know whether I tell you yet. The first 3 usually dah 10. The second 3 is 10. Kalau you tengok 10 elektron. 6 tambah 2 tambah 2, 10. 2 tambah 6 tambah 2, 10. It's the rule of thumb lah kalau you guys nak cepat check. Okay. One other thing dia tanya is state the group, period and block. Okay. Based on you punya periodic table, all of these are susun based on valence electron only. Okay. So, mana satu valence electron dia? Elektron yang terakhir dia susun.
4s2.
4s2.
Yes. So, 4s2. Okay. That's the valence electron. Okay. One more thing kita tengok. Valence electron. Ada lagi tak yang have the same principal quantum number? Jangan 4. Tak ada dah kan? 4 ada 1 tu kan?
Ya, ada satu ya.
So that's the only valence electron. So valence, saya buat short form, valence electron is 2. Okay. And then kita tak jawab lagi soalan. Dia tanya group, period and block. So kita nak tahu dia group berapa. Based on valence electron, kita boleh tahu tak dia group.
Boleh.
Kalau dia valence electron dia 2, dia group apa?
Grup 2.
Okay, it can be group 2 atau group 12 kan?
Ya.
Tapi ingat tak saya cakap, kalau group yang belah 11-11 ni, 13, 14, no. Dia tak boleh jadi group 12. I'm sorry. I'm just saying that kalau group 13, 14, 15, 16, that one is only for P block only. Okay. Sebabkan kita tengok this one is
S.
S block. So valence electron is the group number. So the group number is, so dia tanya pasal group, kita beritahu group 12, group 2, okay, group 2, and then second question dia minta period. Okay, period apa pula? Macam nak cari period? Period is the highest principal quantum number. Okay, paling tinggi kita jumpa 4. Ada lagi tinggi dari 4? So, tak ada. So, it is
Period 4.
period 4. Good. Okay. And dia minta block. Block kita dah cari dah tadi. It is S block. So, it is S block. Okay. Boleh. So, and then let's do for 36 Q17. PPS 36 Q17. Okay, susun for me the 17 electron.
1s2,
Yes,
2,
2s2, and then
6,
2p6,
3s2,
2,
3p5.
3p5. Okay, cukup tak 17? The first three ada 10, and then ada 1, 2, tambah 5. 5 tambah 2, 7. So, 17. So, okay, kita only look at the valence electron. Nak tengok valence electron, tengok the last electron you fill. So, you fill dekat 3p5 kan? So, tengok ada lagi tak yang the same principal quantum number yang you isi?
Ada nombor
Ada
3.
kan? So, this is the valence electron. So, 5 tambah 2,
7.
7 valence electron. Okay. So, kalau 7, kita nak tahu dia group 7 ke group 17?
17. Sebab
Okay.
Block P.
Yes. Kalau je block P, kita tambah 10. So, group is valence electron tambah 10. Untuk group P only, hanya P. Okay. So, kita tahu it is group 17. And then tell me the period. The highest principal quantum number.
period 3.
Yes. So, it is period 3. And it is block apa?
P block.
Yes, P block. So, can you guys do for R and S?
Okay.
Okay, untuk R and S. Give me the, like usual, the first thing you should do is electronic configuration. Sebab kalau tanpa electronic configuration, siapa je boleh terus fikir, oh dia ni group semana. Okay.
Okay.
One thing, okay, this is a bit of cheating lah. Actually, you guys tengok, okay. Contohlah group R. So dia cakap, dia tak bagi kan R tu apa. Kita tak tahu. 24, R12. Ingat tak saya cakap tu? Dia susun electronic configuration, okay, based on increasing proton number. So you tengoklah, mana satu proton number 12. Tada! Tak magnesium. Okay, nampak tak magnesium? Kan?
Nampak.
Magnesium ada the same number of proton. So I'm 100% sure that R is magnesium. So without tulis apa-apa pun, I already know that it is a period 3. That okay, the group 2,
Group 2.
period 3 and block S. Tapi awak takkan dapat full mark lah kalau macam tu. Okay, for medicine ni dia orang strict sikit. So dia orang nak awak buat electronic configuration and from that decide the group. Okay, dah dapat? So for C and
Group 2.
group 2, period
Period 3.
Block.
okay, period 3 and then it is
Block.
block S block. Okay, nampak tak? Ketam. Okay, and then D,
Group 12.
betul ke group 12?
Tak, 14.
Okay, susun betul-betul you punya elektron. Dia ada S tu ada 6 kan? So it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, cara nak tengok valence electron sama macam tadi. Satu, the last one. And then tengok ada lagi tak yang sama dia punya principal quantum number.
Oh,
Ada.
ada.
So valence electron dia adalah 4. Sekarang kita cakap tadi 14. Kenapa 14? Sebab dia
Sebab P
adalah
Stand.
Block.
P
P
block.
block.
Okay. And then from this kita tahu di group 14, period 2 and it is P block.
P block.
Okay. Untuk this one janganlah lupa buat electronic configuration. Sebab itu pun soalan dia kan tanya write the electronic configuration.
Ya.
Saya saja je tiba-tiba buang markah nanti pula. Okay. Semua okay yang ni? This one is quite easy. You guys had,
Okay.
ada tak macam apa-apa yang you guys rasa macam kurang faham untuk tentukan block, period dengan group? Okay, group kita tahu from this group. Okay, period melintang. Okay,
Okay.
if tak ingat, you guys can refer my slide dekat Google Classroom. I dah upload dah. Okay, and now question number 5. Okay, question number 5 ni is actually quite popular in exam. Okay, diorang bagi like this, diorang bagi elemen, diorang terus tanya. Okay, why it is important for you guys to know this chapter? Because sometimes other chapter also just give you like this, the first information. Diorang bagi dalam bentuk macam ni. Tampak organik nanti, diorang bagi macam ni. Pening kepala nanti. Okay, soalan number 5A. How the elements A to E are arranged? Baru je saya cakap tadi. The elements, they are arranged, okay, in order of increasing proton number. So, the elements, okay, in this topic, comparing to the previous topic, chapter 5, banyak kita tuliskan, kita lukis-lukis. Topik ni banyak awak menulis. So, make sure you punya grammar betul. Okay. Sebab you belajar dalam English and you are expected to jawab in English. Unless the question tu dui bahasa. Sometimes question dui bahasa kan. The elements are arranged. Okay. Kan saya lupa cara je arrange. Okay, betul kan saya je arrange.
Yo.
In order of increasing same proton number. Okay, the elements are arranged in order of increasing proton number. Okay, dia tanya macam mana A to E is arranged. Macam saya cakap tadi, salah buku lah. Allahu Akbar. Okay, elements are arranged in order of increasing proton number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see the pattern? Dia orang tambah 1. Okay, sebab itulah actually elemen-elemen kat bawah ni a lot of them dia orang tak pernah jumpa pun. Dia orang tak pernah jumpa pun benda-benda ni. Some of them dia orang jumpa lah. Galvanium, erbium apa semua ni. A lot of them dia orang dah boleh tahu what's the next element. Okay. Yang ada nama ni sebab the first person yang to synthesize the or jumpa the element. People already know lepas galvanium we still have another elements. Tapi kita tak tahu masa tu apa. So the first person yang jumpa boleh letak nama. Sebab itulah you actually can see macam lawrencium dia letak nama dia. Ataupun californium based on California. Americium based on America. Neptune. Okay. Rutherford is the person nampak. Rutherford is the person who make the model, the atomic model. That's why kalau you nampak awal-awal ni je macam nama elemen. The hujung-hujung ni sometimes nama orang. Sebab dia orang yang can prove that the element exists. Tapi we know that walaupun lepas lawrencium ni, mana paling besar? Which is 118. Unosium. Okay, I might butcher the pronunciation. But we know that there will be another element that have the mass of 100, have the proton number of 119. Okay. Good. Boleh?
Boleh.
Bagus. Okay. Soalan yang kedua. Why the elements are B and E are in the same group? Okay, B and E dekat mana tu?
Dekat
Okay.
group tu.
Yes, group 2. Apa yang menyebabkan the elements are in the same group? Okay.
Same valence.
Yes,
Same.
bagus. So, you just cakap je lah. They have the same number of. Tak payahlah guna they. They tu macam too casual. So, kita nak sejukkan hati pemeriksa. So, elements B and E have the same number of valence electron. Okay, that's why I said this topic you guys really have to buat ayat. Ibarat this is not chemistry anymore, this is English. You guys tengah nak buat essay. Okay, elements B and E have the same number of valence electron. While you can just say macam same number of valence electron. Okay, because you don't want to risk it of losing marks kan, even though you answer it betul. Okay, kalau same group have the same number of valence electron. And then dia tanya next, same period. See, so same period maksudnya they have the same apa?
Number of
So you tulis apa? Number of apa yang sama? Elements B and C have the same number of the highest principal quantum number. Okay, jangan lupa highest. The same highest highest principal quantum number. Okay, perkataan highest jangan lupa, please. Sebab kalau you tengok dekat D block, okay, D block means the last electron you feel is dekat D. Okay, in fact, okay, dah salin dah ni. Dah salin ke belum?
Dah dah.
Okay, in
Dah.
fact, this one, the last electron kita feel is dekat 3D. Okay, kenapa dia duduk dekat period 4? Sebab scandium ni kita letak dekat 4s, kemudian kita letak dekat 3D1, 3D2, 4s2, 3D2, 4s2, 3D3. Sebab itulah tentunya period bukannya the last yang kita isi, is the highest principal quantum number. Dekat sini diorang ada 4s, sebab tu dia duduk kat period 4. Period 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, boleh?
Sir, kalau letak the same number of shell,
Okay, the same number of shell can means many things. Okay, yes, shell is same as principal quantum number, tapi kalau dalam that one is you dah like risk it to the pemeriksa punya kebaikan lah, because the definition of how they assign the period is principal quantum number. Yes, principal quantum number describe the shell. Okay, the very basic is kita guna principal quantum number. Yes, principal quantum number is only describing the shell. Kita susun guna nilai n, and yes, nilai n is a shell. Okay, like I said, this topic is very particular in the wordings in your ayat. Okay, so make sure your wordings and ayat betul. Okay, boleh tak?
okay.
Then D. Okay, which are the elements are metal? Okay, this one, which elements are metal, is is almost like you tak belajar sangat lagi, tapi you nampak tak my camera? Okay, this is called alkaline metal, group 1 and group 2. Okay, kalau you boleh tak jot down sikit untuk group 1 and group 2. Group 2 is alkaline metal. Okay, boleh tak?
Boleh.
And most of D group, Allah Akbar, jatuh dulu. Okay, most of D group are metals. They have metal properties. Okay, yang kita cakap besi ni, metals ni, bukannya hanyalah iron. Iron is a type of metal. Okay, metal have a very different properties. Nanti kita akan belajar. I don't think you belajar this SEM. I think you belajar SEM 3. Oh, metallic bonding. Why they are considered metal? Okay, most of D are metals. So group 1, 2 dengan block D block semua metal. Okay, and then another special one is group 18. You tulis kat bawah ni, group 18. Group 18 is noble gases ataupun inert gases. Okay, boleh tak?
Boleh.
Okay,
Boleh.
next topic kita akan belajar about octet, which is kenapa kita tengok kenapa dia orang ni inert, dia orang noble, dia orang ni ibarat orang kaya lah. Orang kaya dah ada dah semua benda, duit dah cukup. Dia orang dah tak perlu dah kan orang-orang macam biasa-biasa kita ni, dia orang tak kawan pun dengan kita. Okay, tak semualah. Okay, just analogy. Okay, dia orang is very noble, and dia orang doesn't even need any other ada elemen untuk dia stabil. Contoh oksigen ni is very like macam kita. Sebab tu saya cakap tu, oksigen dia ada usually dalam 2 minus. Dia perlukan other things untuk jadi stabil. Okay, yang orang-orang kaya ni dah cukup lah semua. Dia orang dah stabil lah hidup dia orang. Contoh oksigen, that's why you tengok kenapa paku berkarat. Because iron awak diserang oleh oksigen sebab oksigen tu nak stabil. Okay, yang oren-oren tu is iron oxide. Oksigen dah serang you punya besi. Ataupun you guys pernah tak nampak dulu duit 1 sen? Saya tak ada lah dengan saya sekarang. Duit 1 sen warna macam warna copper.
Ya.
Yes.
Ada.
Dia warna perang tu kan. Duit 1
Ya.
sen. And sometimes kalau you tengok duit 1 sen yang lama, dia ada macam kesan-kesan warna hijau turquoise.
Ya, ya.
Yes, hijau
Ada.
turquoise tu is copper oxide. Okay, copper tu dah dioksidakan oleh oksigen. Okay, kalau you tahu lagi satu, Statue of Liberty dekat Amerika yang dipegang torch tu. Tahu tak?
Tahu.
Ya,
Tahu.
that one also dah dioxidize. Dulu dia warna copper. Sekarang dia warna macam putih lah kan. Okay, good. So now, back to the question. Saya dah lupa kita bincang soalan apa. D. Okay, which elements are metals? So, elements that are metals. So, kita tengok ada kat group 1 and D blocks kan. So, the only element yang ada is group 1 and 2 kan. So, kita senaraikan A, B and E. Boleh? Boleh tak?
Boleh.
Good.
Kalau alkaline metal pun dikira metal juga.
Yes, alkaline metal is also metal. They have metallic properties. And they also alkaline. Alkaline tu you tahu kan? The opposite of acid.
Ya.
Okay. So now, dia tanya which elements with the valence electronic configuration of S2P2. Okay, kalau S2P2, berapa valence elektron dia? 4. So, dia dah cakap dah. Valence electronic configuration dia is S2P2. Nampak sangat ada 4. So, kalau 4, and then kita tengok it is a P block. So, dia group berapa?
14.
So, group 14. So, which one dekat gambar periodic table awak atau yang kosong tu, mana yang satu group 14?
C.
Yes, C. So, okay. Boleh?
Boleh.
So, and now saya nak bincang soalan nombor 9. So, I'm expecting you guys to do other question lah. This one is muscle memory. You have to do it. Try to do the wording. You guys nak kena buat ayat betul-betul kan. Tak nak grammar pun salah. Okay. Untuk other question, saya akan upload the answer later dekat Google Classroom. Boleh? And also and I'm expecting you guys buat objective question sekali. This one saya tak suruh you guys hantar lah, because I know you guys also have the assignment nak kena buat. This one saya nak suruh korang chat sendiri je. Okay, now kita buat soalan nombor 9. Okay, semua dah okay. Dah habis soalan yang tadi. Soalan nombor 5.
Dah.
So, soalan nombor 9 dia cakap dia bagi proton number. Okay, based on the information above, explain. Okay, bila ada perkataan explain tu, you don't only give answer. You also have to explain why you get that answer. Boleh? Ada perkataan explain je, highlight perkataan explain tu. So, soalan dia nak arrange this element in ascending order. So, ascending order makin naik ke makin turun?
Makin naik.
Makin naik.
Yes, ascending order makin menaik kan. And then ascending order of atomic radius, first ionization energy. So now atomic radius and ionization energy. So what's the first step here? Macam mana you nak tahu atomic radius? You have to know the position of the elements dekat the periodic table kan. Okay, macam mana kita nak tahu ni? The same thing as before. Kita tahu this position based on their electronic configuration kan. So, the first thing that you have to do is buat dia punya electronic configuration. Okay. Do for me untuk U, V and W while I'll do T. Okay. Okay, dia orang ada proton number of 8, 10, 11 and 13. Okay, do the electronic configuration for this, for U, V and W. And let me know about U. Dapat apa?
1s2 2s2 2p6.
Okay, just a spot check. I want you guys to show the camera that you guys are actually tulis. Okay, kat camera. Saya nampak you punya background lah, Lutfi. Okay, show me that you guys dah buat the electronic configuration. Okay, very
Buat.
good. Izzah, salin dalam buku sekali. Okay. Banyak ke bang nak tulis dalam buku tutorial tu saja?
Okay.
Okay. Good. So, saya tak nak korang tidur. Ni mana lain lagi. Hello, you guys ada sini tak? Amila Ilati.
Ada.
Hafizah.
Ada, sir, ada.
Okay,
Ada,
good.
ada.
Saya berhusnuzon that korang tulis kan? Okay. Good. So, like kita dah susun tadi, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. S2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Then this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2, 3p1. Awak dapat sama macam saya tak?
Sama.
Okay, atomic radius. Okay, cara dia nak show explain. So this one dia just bagi element. So dia tak minta lah across the period ke down the group. So point untuk kita guna untuk explain benda-benda ni. Okay, kita always guna these 2 points. Okay, one is effective. Okay, soalan kalau nak cakap dia nak suruh explain the trend lah semua, ascending order semua benda ni, kita guna dua benda je, effective nuclear charge ataupun dia nak suruh cerita pasal ionization energy ke electronegativity ke, kita always guna dua benda ni je. Allah, salah je. Shielding effect. Okay, kita guna dua benda ni je. And straight away my pants masuk dalam longkang ni. Okay,
Saya duduk seperti longkang.
tak, you know sinki dekat Amal? Mama ada sinki kan, tengah-tengah meja tu. Nah, semua pants yang masuk dalam tu.
Okay.
Okay, effective nuclear charge kita boleh cari. Shielding effect, okay, ingat tak what is apa yang dimaksudkan dengan shielding effect itself?
Group.
Okay, effective. Let me share. Okay, shielding effect is shielding effect is caused by the mutual repulsion between the inner electron and the outer shell electron. Okay, in general, shielding effects. Shielding effect is lagi the higher principal quantum number yang dia ada, lagi tinggi the shielding effect. Okay, boleh? So, kalau awak tengok macam ni, you actually can separate it in two groups. Okay, kenapa saya separate in two groups? Okay, group yang dua atas ni, kita susun sampai paling tinggi 2 je. While dekat bawah, kita susun sampai 3. Okay. And you might be tempted untuk just susun, okay, this probably this one paling besar, this one second, this one third, and this one paling kecil. Okay. But you cannot do that yet. Okay, kenapa? You baru only explain using shielding effect. You tak explain lagi using effective nuclear charge. Okay. So, kalau effective nuclear charge, Z effective. Okay. Z effective. Macam mana nak kira Z effective?
Nombor proton
Okay, Z effective is number of proton, which is
tolak
apa?
Tolak bukan electron valent. Inner electron.
Inner electron. Anything that's not electron valence. So I circlekan electron valence. Okay, why this one I only circle dekat 3S1 je? Sebab dah tak ada dah kan? Sama yang
Tak ada nama 3 dah.
Yes. So this is the only electron valence. So kalau kita kira Z efektif untuk P 8 tolak inner electrons. Ya. Saya buat kotak untuk inner electrons. Okay. From this pun you dah nampak kan, these two ada way more inner electrons that shield from the valence electron. Proton tu tak nak tarik sangat, ni jauh. While this one, proton ni dekat je nak tarik valence electron ni. Lepas satu ni dah jumpa valence electron. That's why I do it in two groups. So 8 tolak 2 is plus 6. Saya letak plus sebab it signifies attractive forces between the proton and the valence electron. So this one berapa? 10
2.
tolak 2 juga. So 8. Saya efektif. Untuk V, yes.
Oh, bukan 6 tambah 2 8. Demi electron valent ni bukan 8 so.
Okay. This one, tengok balik cara nak cari Z effective. Z effective is the proton number tolak inner electrons. This one ada 2 inner electrons.
Terbalik.
This one
Okay,
also
faham.
have inner electrons. Z effective have nothing to do with valence electron. Okay. Nak kira dia sebab kita kira berapa banyak proton tu. Okay, proton ni is the amount. Okay, bayangkan ada berapa banyak plus. Kita ada 8 plus charges. Nak tarik the valence electron. So 8 tu nak tarik ni kita have to go to inner electron dulu kan, baru boleh sampai ke valence. So 8 tu kita dah guna 2. Dah guna 2 untuk tarik 2 elektron ni. So tinggal berapa lagi? Tinggal 6. So untuk U pula kita ada 10. Kita susun tapi the number of inner electron same je. Sebab even though lagi banyak proton number, lagi banyak elektron tu dimasukkan dalam valence electron kan.
Ya.
Okay. So when kita kira ya, kita
silap.
tolak dengan inner electron. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Tak apa, just remember that proton number tolak inner electron. Okay. So untuk V 11 tolak 6 tambah 2 tambah 2 berapa?
10.
Yes. So, ni dapat plus 1. While this 13 tolak still 10 juga. Sebab
Ya.
even though dia banyak, elektron tu dimasukkan dalam valence elektron. Okay, so plus 3. So, okay, when you dah tengok this one kind of show you more clear idea of yang mana lagi besar. Okay, so jom susun. So, saya nak susun. Nampak? Okay, nampak kan Z efektif semua tu kan? So, based on these two yang kecil ni. Mana saya tunjuk tangan saya. Okay, these two. Mana lagi kecil?
8.
This one kan, U kan? Sebab
Oh,
Z
ya.
efektif dia, efektif nucleus dia 8. Even though dia orang duduk around at the same area, tapi this 6 dengan 2 ni, this 8 elektron ditarik lagi kuat dengan Z efektif plus 8 daripada this one. Daripada 6 elektron ni ditarik dengan just plus 6 je. So, U paling kecil diikuti dengan I want to make sure the sign is right. Okay, U paling kecil and then kedua is T. Okay. And then from V and W kita tengok they have a bigger shell kan? They have sampai 3 kan? They have a principal quantum number sampai 3. So, bila kita tengok ni, kita tahu dia orang these two is bigger than T and U. Sebab kita nak tahu mana satu lagi besar, V ke W. Okay, even though even though you tengok W ada sampai 3P kan? Tapi this 3P is a valence shell punya orbital. And you look, kalau you tengok Z efektif dekat W lagi kuat. So, apparently V is bigger than W. Okay, kenapa? Sebab they have the same shell. Shell dia orang sama. Shell dia orang adalah N equal to 3. Okay, kalau N equal to 3, dia orang have the generally around the same. Okay, N equal 1, 2, 3. They generally have the same, they will be at the same area lah around the nucleus. The same distance. Kalau 3, tak kisah dia 3P ke 3D, ada tak?
3D.
Okay. Kalau 3D pun ada kan? Tapi they are around the same area. Tapi since diorang, nampak tak? Diorang ditarik oleh Z efektif at higher, plus 3 kalau compared to V. V pun around have 3 juga. So dia punya elektron dekat sini juga. Tapi V ditarik less dengan plus 1 while W tarik dengan plus 3. So that's why W is smaller than U. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Okay, faham tak? Sebab kalau dia orang ada 3 je, maksudnya dia orang have around the same. Even though kalau dia sampai 3D pun. Okay, around the same area. Okay, the factors that are contributing in the size, kita tengok dekat effective nuclear charge. Betapa kuat yang elektron yang duduk dekat shell 3 ni ditarik oleh proton awak. Proton yang tarik. So, boleh? So now, the explanation our okay, semua ada dalam ni semua hadir ada seorang tak hadir, siapa tak hadir? Can you check? Aiman. Okay, this saya dah pastekan dalam dia punya chat. This is the full explanation. Okay, lepas awak tulis tu, macam saya cakap tadi, this topic you have to buat ayat. There's no other way. Okay, cakap T and U are the elements of period 2. So moving across a period, atomic size decrease sebab macam kita dah check tadi, effective nuclear charge dia increase kan. So for plus 6 to plus 8. Okay, untuk V and W dia dekat period 3. Okay, dia ada 3S 1 dengan ataupun 3S2 3P1. So kita tengok dia punya moving across period 3 pun effective nuclear charge bertambah kan. So it become smaller. Okay, boleh? You guys semua boleh
Boleh.
nampak the explanation?
Nampak.
Okay, how cepat for ionization energy? Untuk dulu. First, ionization energy. So ionization energy is how easy or how hard it is nak keluarkan one electron. So dia nak keluarkan satu elektron from the element, dia nak tarik keluar. So obviously kalau dia orang tarik keluar, dia orang tarik paling jauh kan. Okay, contohlah awak duduk kat KMPP ni, awak diberi peluang untuk pilih. So awak ada 3 bilik. Satu aras 1, satu aras 2, satu aras 3. Okay, itu bilik awak lah. Memang apparently awak special. Because awak sesa dapat A dalam kimia kan. So awak dapat 3 bilik. Okay, and then one day tiba-tiba orang from HCP cakap, okay, awak perlu pilih which one of the bilik, 3 bilik awak tu, tingkat aras 1, aras 2, aras 3 tu, okay, awak nak bagi dekat pelajar baru masuk. So kalau awak nak bagi bilik mana?
3.
atas.
Yes,
Ya,
obviously
3.
you nak bagi bilik yang paling tinggi kan, because awak at least you still have this 2 bilik. So awak tak perlu naik tinggi-tinggi. So pelajar baru tu biarlah kat dia naik tinggi. Okay, same thing as electron. Bila kita nak buang dia, kita akan buang dekat orbital with the highest energy dulu. Tu kita buang dekat 2P, 3S, 3P. Okay, sebab hari tu kita ikut aubah, kita isi rendah dulu kan. Yang tak aubah, kita isi rendah dulu. Lepas tu dah penuh, baru isi atas. Bila kita nak bagi, kita buang yang atas dulu. Sebab kita tak suka pelajar baru ni, biarlah dia ambil yang tingkat-tingkat atas ni. So ionization energy pun sama. So the minimum energy required, kita dah nak habis kelas pun nak masuk hari ni ya. The minimum energy required untuk just take one electron. So the first ionization is the first electron yang kita buang. So cara is very simple kan. This one kita dah tahu ni paling kecil. Paling kecil, kedua kecil, dan besar, dan makin besar, paling besar. So untuk ionization energy, kalau elektron ni dah jauh dah daripada proton, awak rasa senang ke susah nak tarik?
Kalau susah.
Okay, this one is proton. Proton ada kat sini, semua ni proton.
Ya.
Okay, elektron ni, okay, berbandingkan elektron ni dengan elektron ni, mana lagi senang nak buang?
Yang 13, yang bawah.
This one kan? Sebab dia dah lah duduk jauh. Kemudian dia shielded by 10 electrons. Compared to this, dia duduk comparatively dekat dengan proton, and is only shielded by 2 inner electrons. So if you see, the bigger the atom, the easier nak remove the electron. So kita dah buat dah kita punya list of from small to biggest kan, size dia increase kan, from small to biggest. So since kita tahu the biggest is the easiest untuk buang elektron, so kalau senang kita tak perlulah letak banyak tenaga kan untuk tarik elektron tu. It will be the smallest ionization energy. So you just kenapa saya buat U juga ni?
Itulah tadi nak punya.
Itu.
Okay. Tak siapa nak cakap Korang pun tengok ni. So,
Nak cakap.
kita tahu V is the biggest. So, kita just terbalikkan je lah. So, since V is the biggest, so paling senang nak buang. So, kita terbalikkan. Okay, boleh.
Boleh.
This is
Boleh.
what you have to write afterwards. Okay, basically what I'm saying, the ionizing energy is affected by atomic mass. Okay, macam saya cakap, lagi besar, lagi jauh lah elektron tu, valence elektron tu. Lagi senang you nak ambil. Okay, macam ni lah kalau korang macam ish tak faham lagi. Okay, korang sekarang ni jadi pencolek. Kerja korang ni colek anak orang. Okay? Okay, this is hypothetical. Jangan colek lah anak orang. Okay, mana lagi senang? Awak nak colek anak orang kalau di jalan sambil pegang tangan ataupun di jalan jauh daripada parent je?
Jalan jauh daripada
Jalan
parent.
jauh.
Yes.
Jalan jauh.
So, lagi jauh daripada parent dia lagi senang you nak colek. Lagi jauh
Ya.
elektron tu dari proton, lagi senang you nak buang. So, tak banyaklah tenaga. Kalau budak tu dekat dengan parent dia, you kena buat distraction lah. Semua. You kena invest a lot of energy nak tarik anak dia dari tangan dia. Kan? Kau jauh, you just angkat je. Terus colek anak dia tu. Okay. Sama dengan elektron. So, ionizing energy is affected by atomic mass and effective nuclear charge. Okay, V is the largest atom, thus has the weakest attraction between nucleus and the outermost electron compared to W. So, V paling besar, so elektron dia pun paling jauh. And also, if you see, effective nuclear charge dia pun paling rendah kan, only +1. So, is okay, and then kita compare dengan T and U. Elements appear to smaller in size as have higher effective nuclear charge. They compare between T and U. Dia cakap, since you have the highest effective nuclear charge, it means parents tu pegang tangan anak dia very kuat. So it's very hard untuk buang elektron. Thus, ionization energy dia is the highest lah. Paling banyak energi you kena bagi kat sistem tu nak buang elektron tu. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
And then, juga which element is inert? Okay, one other thing untuk tahu, kalau this one kan, you actually already can see which one is group 18. Kan saya cakap tadi, group 18 is inert kan? Inert ataupun noble gases. Okay, salah eja. Noble gas or inert. Okay, group 18 is noble gas or inert. From the electronic configuration, ada tak kat sini yang group 18?
Ada.
Okay, which one?
Yang proton number 10.
10.
Yes. So, untuk C, just jawapan ni yes. U. Itu je. Okay. The explanation which it is because you have 8 wah, dia tak nampak 8 valence electron. Okay, tulis valence electron terus. Saya tak cukup tempat. Thus, it is inert. Inert ataupun noble gas. Okay, boleh. Boleh tak? And I sempat bincang sampai 9 je. Other than 9, you guys buat sendiri, and then I'll upload the question, the answer dekat Google Classroom later.
Okay.
And if for example you guys macam tak faham yang kenapa answer dia like this and kenapa not like what you think it is, okay, you just ask me through WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it for this class. I don't really know whether you guys are following, and I'm assuming a lot of you guys are actually writing as I'm writing. Kan, semua write kan? Semua tulis kan?
Ya.
Okay, so far do you have any problem with this chapter 6?
Setakat ni aku lagi.
Tak ada lagi.
Okay,
Kalau buat dengan Sir, insyaAllah boleh.
okay, what dulu question dia, and if ada problem tanya saya,
Okay.
because chapter 6 is the like foundation untuk you guys explain the further nanti you guys ada apa-apa you guys boleh refer back to chapter 6.
Oh.
You explain it using the same thing yang you guna explain, is that effective, shielding effect, nothing much, you just explain using guna dua tu. Is that effective? Dengan shielding effect, tak kisahlah dia tanya pasal macam tadi atomic radii, ataupun dia tanya electronegativity, dia tanya ionization energy, semua benda tu you can explain using these two things. Yes, my slide macam itu banyak kan, but it's basically the same thing over and over again, so don't worry.
Okay, Sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
yang dekat buku nota,
yeah,
slide 52, dia salah tiga apa?
buku nota muka surat 52.
Dia dalam
Okay, sekejap. So 52, oh untuk chapter 5,
chapter 6.
muka surat 52.
Ah,
Okay, dia salah tulis kat mana?
4S2 ke tak? Sebab lepas 3D kan patut 4P.
Okay, that one is cara orang reorganize. Okay, sekejap saya tunjuk dulu. You guys ada kelas tak lepas ni? Ada kelas tak?
Ada.
Ada?
Ai.
Kelas apa?
Ada.
Ada ke kelas? Kalau ada kelas saya
Ada meet.
okay, I'll show you very quick. So this one, so kita usually susun as 4S dulu kan. Kita susun 4S, kita masukkan elektron 4S dulu, baru kita masukkan 3D. Actually, dia tak salah sulit. This one is orang yang lepas susun 4S tu, and then dia susun dekat 3D3, dia susun balik je, so that the highest principal quantum number is dekat atas. Okay, sebab actually bila awak dah susun dekat 4S ni is higher energy than 3D3 bila dia ada elektron. Okay, but so far right now all you have to know is kat 1S2 to S2 2P6, and then bila you sampai kat 4S2 you isi kat 4S2, and then you isi kat 3D3 kan, usually how you tulis. Okay, some books and some people prefer to susun balik supaya you nampak this is shell n equal to 1, shell n equal to 2, shell equal n equal to 3, shell n equal to 4. Dia susun nak bagi cantik je. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Sebab sama je, awak tak susun balik pun tak apa. Boleh? Okay, sebab awak tengok dekat S, dia still cakap V block. Sebab yang paling last diisi is V. Okay, and it is period 4 sebab number 4 is the highest. So why people susun it's easier for them to see which one is the highest principal quantum number. Kalau 4S duduk sini, you mungkin termiss, you nampak 3D. So, you letak period 3, which is already dah salah. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Orang cuma susun balik je. Doesn't matter if you write like this or the other way. Tapi kalau nak susun elektron, never susun like this. Susun elektron, you always masukkan 4S2 dulu, baru masuk 3D. Afterwards, baru you boleh susun balik. Letak 4S tu dekat luar. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Okay.
Do you have any more questions? Okay, I think some of you ada kelas ni.
Ada tapi tak ada mic sebab kelas tu siapkan assignment je.
Okay, I guess I'll lepaskan you guys untuk buat assignment guys. And for the assignment chemistry tu, yang saya tunjuk tu, try to find dekat Google first. Okay, tengok Google, try to belajar sendiri first, so you have a head start untuk macam nak buat Lewis structure, macam mana dia punya bond angle. Actually kalau you terus Google that compound, dia dah bagi tahu dah macam mana Lewis structure. Contoh lah, Lewis structure of mana tu. Okay, soalan tu dia ada 4 kan, ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, ada 5. Contohnya, number of valence electron of PF5. Di Google pun dia dah boleh dapat dah. And then Lewis structure of PF5, you boleh terus cari. Okay, of PF.
Sir.
Yes,
Due date dia bila?
20th of November, 20 November. I think hari Jumaat.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, I'll present this. Look, saya Google pun saya dah dapat dah, even though saya still kalau tak faham pun. Look, awak nampak tak? My tu, saya apa yang saya tunjuk.
Ya.
Tada. And look, kalau geometri dia pun dia dah bagi tahu geometri apa. Trigonal
Yeah.
bipyramid.
Biometric.
Okay. Kalau awak nak lukis, mula-mula geometri awak lukis macam ni lah. Macam ni, lukisan. Lewis structure is like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Not like this lah. This one is tak betul Lewis structure dia. Like this. This is yang betul Lewis structure dia. Okay, boleh. So, for example, kalau you guys nak buat model from this, buatlah guna kayu, guna kertas ke. Okay, later if I have time, I'll kind of show you the structure of this atom. I'll tangkap gambar, I'll post kat WhatsApp ke or something like that. Okay. Do you have any more question?
Sir,
Wait.
Apa? Sorry. Itu putus-putus lah.
tadi PS tukar ke?
UPS 2 ke? So UPS 2 is still this Friday. So it is this Friday 4:30. Tomorrow lah. Hey, tomorrow 4:30.
Oh, okay. Bukan ada yang ada message. Dia ada message.
So far
Palsu.
kita orang tak sure lagi. So what I advise you guys, be prepared. Topic 4 and 5, be
No
prepared. So ada or tak ada, at least you guys are prepared. Okay. So boleh. So okay. So I think that's it for the class. Any more questions, just ask me dekat WhatsApp. And thank you for coming. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
See you. Apa Amira? Okay, so next week kita akan masuk the topic yang assignment you guys based on. Okay, I guess see you guys next week. Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.